Hello? Nen? Oh, hello, Day. Kamati ka na, ho? Oh, Day, oh. Kabati man ko ba nga si nung nursing daw na damo ko sa hospital, Day. Kumusta man? Oy,
Loudspeaker, yar.
na mo pa problema na ho, Day. Ning tiguang na ta maglisod nagbangon ni nagkabuntag. Ay, na, maoga jod na.
Ma'am!
Pero na rin, nasuko ako magwang, mabalihin ko, Day. Malain ta ba? Si anak ba rin ang niludang si Daphne? Wala. Ano?
Such a boy jacket that I fancy.
Good morning.
Maybe it's on a head.
Excuse me po. Name? Yes, Annalyn Sanchez. Kaninang umaga lang ako
Sorry,
namatay.
it's
not here. Sorry, pwedeng pakicheck mo ulit? Imposible lang kasi...
Are you calling me a liar?
Ay, hindi naman sa ganon. Hindi sa ganon. Si San Pedro, andyan ba siya? Pwede ba siyang makausap? Baka naman kasi pwede nating gawa ng...
He's on vacation.
E di yung mas mataas sa kanya.
You wanna talk to God?
Ay, siya na ba ang sunod? Wag na. Okay lang. Ganto. Sorry, baka na mali lang talaga yung spelling. Pwedeng check natin ulit. It's A-N...
Okay, found it. Can't believe it. You have a first-class ticket with a special access? You?
Hindi ko alam kung paano ako nag-qualify dyan.
It says here it's because you're a breadwinner. Like, whatever. Okay, let's see. Pays for father's medication, sends younger sibling to college, pays for the utility bills, juggles between two jobs, blah, blah, blah. Can't afford to go to the salon and buy new underwear. Makes sense. Okay, here is your badge. Here is your welcome package. Buffet is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Thank
Looks
you.
like you also get an access to the garden and the pool by the throne room and an exclusive meet and greet with the apostles at 3 p.m. You can't be late for that. I just need your insurance details before I let you in.
Insurance?
Yeah, girl, insurance. For your family. You left behind. You're the breadwinner, right?
Hala, wala ako nun. Kailangan ba nun?
I really shouldn't be schooling you about this, but girl, that is like literally the safety net and the protection for your family, just in case something like this happens. And when I say this, that means you unexpectedly... Girl, that's like supposed to be your plan B.
Hala, miss, paano na to?
Sorry, I can't let you in. You have to go back.
Hala, bad trip naman. Ako, wala na nga finally sa mga responsibilidad dun, tapos babalik.
You can always check the other plan B.
Diyos ko, ito naman di na mabiro. Siyempre, babalik. Ito naman, kaliit na bagay. Pwede naman pag-usapan ng maayos. O, ito na, paano ba?
Okay, here is a pamphlet. It's called BDO Life. You can check them out. By the way, this is not in-house. They're just like our partners. So what you're going to want to do when you go back is you can go to their website to get a quote, or you can just visit the nearest BDO branch to inquire about life insurance.
Siya, sige. Dali lang naman pala.
Okay, good luck with that. Bye!
Oh my God, very good, mother. Ang ganda. Ano, ready ka na ba for the ball?
Yes, of course. I'm ready. Sandali lang, Ninang. Sorry, Ninang. Panis ata yung tinapay na pinakain sa akin ni Bruha. Anyway, let's go, Ninang.
Kuya, dahan-dahan naman sa hang. Sige, lalabas to. Hani, kuya. Kuya, itabi mo. Sasaglit lang ako dyan sa gilid. Thank you.
Alam, wala pala akong wipes. Grabe, ang ganda mo talaga.
Ano ka ba? Para kang Shira.
Sure ka taga dito ka lang? Yun lang kita nakita eh. O bakit?
Sorry, kailangan ko na palang umalis. May online meeting ako. Kailangan ko mag-grocery. Yung mga aso hindi pa kumakain.
Kailangan ko lang umalas.
Oh, wait, saan ka punta? Mamayang 12 pa mawawala magic ko, di ba? Hindi na ako aabot doon. Ang lala ng diarrhea ko with stomach pain. Magicin mo ako, dali. Actually, hindi naman kailangan ng magic because we now have the new Diatabs Advance. It has loperamide and simethicone para goodbye diarrhea, goodbye din sa sakit ng tiyan na kasama nito. Hindi, kailangan niyo siyang hanapin. Hello, Prince Charming. Are you looking for me? Hoy, mamaya mo na ako pakiligin. Doon muna tayo sa buffet. Walang dinner sa bahay.
Cindy, anak, kumain ka na. Ivan, ibot mo nga sa atin mo yung ketchup. Cindy, anak. Andiyan na pala yung bill ng ilaw. Huwag ka masyado magugulat, anak, ha? Medyo mataas-taas kasi. Yung daddy mo nitong nakaraan.
Sinisisi sa akin, ikaw nga tong galing manicure, pedicure. Ate, kailangan ko pala extra para sa project. Ate, ubos na din pala pang maintenance ko.
Naku, Ivan, ha? Yung mga project na ganyan, baka pinang-date mo lang yan.
Ikaw ba yung may girlfriend na?
Manghingi sana ako.
Alam mo sa amin.
Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Hindi ko na kaya!
Substitution! Ayaw na nito!
Coach? Anyway, pagod na ako! Ate, manang na to? Energy drink, para hindi ka mapagod. Thanks. Hindi niyo ako naiintindihan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sofia Beltran, Cindy's interpreter for tonight.
Guys, ano ba? Nagmo-moment ako dito Okay lang? Buong buhay ko wala akong ibang inisip kundi kayo.
Sila lang?
Hoy, parang Shara. Siyempre, iniisip din kita. Office crush kitty. Chat kita mamaya. Daddy, isusubo ko na lang, ilalaan ko pa para sa inyo. Huwag sinungaling bestie, panay-coffee natin sa office at laging venti. Ay, pa-breakfast. Sorry. Shh, come here. Nakapagod na din kasi. Ang akin lang naman, pwede ba this time ako naman yung lawan na inaalagaan. Priority. I think mahaba-habang usapan yan, bestie. Pero kung gusto mo na agad-agad, eto ka. FWD, the one for life insurance cover. Andyan pag kailangan mo, priority ka, and the people you love. You can even personalize it depending on your needs. Pwede kang mag-add ng accidental death benefit and critical illness cover. Deserve, diba? Gastos na naman. Gastos nga ini-emote ko dito, diba? Bestie, super mura lang. Depending on your need and age, your premium can go as low as 330 pesos per year. Diba? Mas mahal pa yung Samgip Saturdays natin. Manang, patimpla naman ng kape, please. Ay, si Phil at home. Thank you. Mars, hindi mo to kakayanin. You can buy this in minutes. You just go to shop.fwd.com.ph. No medical tests required. Ay, ang bongga nga. FWD. Pakbili ako niyan. May reward pang kape. Balik muna ako sa drama ko. Okay lang? Alam ng Diyos kung paano... Talaga ba, Lord? Pati ikaw? Anak, pagpasensyahan mo na kaming pamilya mong umaasa lang din sa'yo. Anak, gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal ka namin at na-appreciate namin lahat ng paghihirap mo. Ikaw ang the one na laging nandyan para sa amin. Anak, wala kami ibang hiling ng daddy mo kundi ang lumigaya ka sa buhay at lagi ka namin pinagdarasal, anak. Actually, malate na pala ako. Ako na the one nyo, andito lang, hindi nawawala. Pero yung trabaho ko, oo. Kaya next time na natin ituloy itong drama na to, ha? Work po tayo, opo. Bye guys, love you. Pwede sabay ako. Sige anak, see you.
Alright, hi. How was your week? It's bad. I still catch myself overthinking. Tsaka ang bilis ko nga, can't relate. Anyway, last week I was in Japan. Life-changing, by the way. And you know what? While I was there, I was able to reflect on how privileged I am na hindi ako nakatali sa 9 to 5. But I can... Wait, OMG, ako nga pala yung therapist mo, diba? Of course, I walked out. Kasi
I just cannot tolerate the disrespect anymore. You know what I mean? Period. Baka nakshi ko yan. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, this will be the last time you'll see my face. Siyang tunay ba yan, nak? Siyang tunay, ma. But of course, when you look back, you'll also remember the beautiful memories, the good times you shared. But then it's temporary because you'll also remember the bad things. So how did that make you feel? I just have to accept that it's over. You are so brave. You know, sometimes kasi talaga life takes us somewhere we are not prepared for and we just have to embrace the journey. Here's a tissue. Wow, biglang ayos ng sagot, Doc, ha, kasi may endorsement. Just cherish the moment. Pero ang bongga nitong Kleenex softbox, ha? 190 sheets of premium 2-ply tissue made from 100% virgin fiber. I know that's right. Patingin nga ako ng IG ng ex mo. Ay, gets kita, Nok. Sure kaya mo itong bigyan ng third chance? Okay, I guess I'll see you again in 2 weeks. Doc, wala ka bang ibibigay na prescription sa akin for medication? Prescription? Prescription. Ganto, bigyan na lang kita Spotify playlist. Naku, perfect to pang sad girl moments.